Crypto Trading for Beginners, 5 Steps to Start Today. Hey everyone. Most of you have been hitting me up, asking how you can actually start trading crypto as a complete beginner. Well, guess what? Today, I'm breaking it all down. Before we dive into the how, it's crucial to understand the best type of trading for beginners: spot trading. Spot trading means you're buying the actual crypto coins, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, storing them, and then selling them later, hopefully, at a higher price. No complex leverage, no futures. Just buying and holding the real thing. Got it? Good. So, how do you actually do this? Let's get into the first 2 essential steps you need to take today. Step 1: Download CoinMarketCap on your phone. This app is a data powerhouse. It's going to help you get familiar with thousands of different cryptocurrencies and the overall market. Think of it as your crypto encyclopedia. Step 2: Open an account with Bybit. Now, Bybit is one of the safest and most user-friendly crypto exchanges out there. You can use the link right here in my bio to open your free account. It's super quick and easy. 1. Download CoinMarketCap. 2. Open Bybit account. Step 3, 4, and 5, Deposit, Buy, Start learning. Here's where it gets exciting. Step 3, Deposit a small amount of money into your Bybit account. And I mean small. The best part about Bybit and many exchanges is you can start with as low as $10. Yep, just $10. Step 4, Buy your first crypto. I recommend starting with established coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Solana. These are generally more stable for beginners. Step 5, and this is the most crucial part: your learning journey truly begins. Buying your first crypto is often the biggest hurdle. Once you've done it, you're in the game, and the real learning starts from there. 3. Deposit $10. 4. Buy BTC, ETH, or SOL. 5. Start learning. So there you have it, 5 simple steps to kickstart your crypto spot trading journey today. Remember, starting is always the hardest part, but you've got this. Now you're officially a crypto owner. If this video helped you, smash that like button. Subscribe for more straightforward crypto guides, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future tips. Let me know in the comments if you took the leap.